So I was sitting around and I decided, I want to play some Super Nintendo classics, from back in the day, from my childhood. And so I tried to do that on my regular computer, the Latte Panda. And I was just having some trouble getting a controller to pair up with the emulators and with the computer. And so I was like, screw that. You know what? I'm just gonna get started on my Raspberry Pi project and get that all set up. Alright, and so this is my Raspberry Pi right here. And so I bought it with this case, which came with a fan. And so what I mean by get it set up right now is I had to cut this lead off of the fan, or this plug, and then I'm going to have to solder on some jumper ends from like an Arduino jumper. And the reason that is because this plug here, it didn't fit down into the case and onto the pinouts for the fan. Alright, so now we are all set up and our soldering iron is up to temp and we are ready to solder the connection. Gonna tin the tip. Alright, and now it's time to do this second wire here. Is definitely the hardest time that I've had at soldering anything. Maybe that's why. Maybe my soldering iron stopped heating up partway through. Alright, so I went ahead and I fixed that one up as best I could. And while I was doing that, I melted part of the heat shrink and shrunk it down, so I went ahead and used some electrical tape. Anyway, so I think that the whole problem there was that my soldering iron pretty much just stopped heating up. It's been doing that. I think that it's something to do with like a short in the cord for the it's something that I've noticed before, but I haven't really had that much problem with it yet, but So I went ahead onto the internet and looked up the pinout for the Arduino and on the Raspberry Pi, and it looks like the pins for the fan are number 4 for the power and number 6 for the ground. Alright, now the only thing left to do is to set it up and test and see if the fan works. Alright, and here we are, the fan running. Alright, so I plan on doing some more videos with the Raspberry Pi soon, like how to set up an operating system, how to set up RetroPie, how to add games to RetroPie, and you know, maybe even some Arduino stuff. So you know, look for some more videos in the future. And as always, don't forget to like, dislike, subscribe, or leave a comment. Anyways, thanks guys, see you next time.